Hello, welcome to Data Engineer YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can create a self-hosted integration runtime. If you haven't watched the video, like what is integration, runtime, do check it out. It was like delivered in the initial, part of the playlist. So let's get started. Like, what is self-hosted integration runtime? If you go to manage section, you will see an option called integration runtime. Integration runtime is nothing but it gives processing power to your pipelines. Now the question is, we have already, like whenever we create a data factory, we see something called auto resolve integration runtime. It's an inbuilt integration runtime which we can use, but obviously it is owned by Azure, right? So whatever cost is associated with it, you need to pay for it. But what if you want your own computer's processing power? So I have a big computer, I have a powerful computer, let's say, and I want to use the processing power of that particular computer. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that with the help of self-hosted integration runtime. By self-hosted integration runtime means like we are providing the processing power. Either we are associating our computer with this data factory, or we are associating a virtual machine with your data factory. So let's see how we can create a self-hosted integration runtime. We need to click on this plus icon. We need to click on Azure or self-hosted. We need to click on continue. Again, self-hosted. We'll select this and we'll press continue button. Now you will give it a name. I'm giving integration runtime SH, self-hosted. We can even give description if you want. I don't want, so I'm just skipping it. And we need to press the create button. Once we click on create button, it will give us two keys. You can use any key. So it will give you the instructions how we need to download the things. Number one thing is we need to express the setup. So once we click over this link, you will see, a notification basically. You will see the details how we can do the setup. Second thing is what you need to do is you need to download and install the integration runtime, because obviously your computer processing power is used. So obviously you need to go to this link, particular link. You need to download it. So basically you can download any of the integration runtime. You need to click on next button, and then once you click on next button, you can download this basically. So once this thing is downloaded, just like this, I'm just canceling it because I have already downloaded it. You can see it here. Once you click on it, you need to follow the process. You need to press the next button, and then further, once it is installed, it will look something like this. Let me just open it out. Yeah, this one. Now what we need to do is we need to add the key. So remember, in this data factory you get two keys. You can use any key. I'll just copy one key. I'll go to my integration runtime. I will paste it simply. Now what we need to do is we need to click on register button. So it will take a bit time. It will verify the authentication key and it will enable it. So what we need to do is we need to click on finish button. So it's registering our integration runtime. It's connecting with the data factory basically. It will take few minutes and then we'll see it further. So let's wait for it to complete. Finally, it have processed and it have successfully connected with our Azure Data Factory. So now what we need to do is we need to go back to our Azure Data Factory. What we need to do is we can just click on cancel. Now this is our integration runtime and you can see the status as unavailable, but in the application we can see that it is available. So why it is so, we need to basically refresh or reload this Azure Data Factory page. Once we do that, let us wait. It will basically be successful. So let's check it out. All right. So my Azure Data Factory has loaded and now you can see the status as running. You can even see the further detail. If I click on this integration runtime, you can see the nodes. So this desktop, this is my desktop name, the laptop name, and basically, the processing power is provided by this desktop. Now, what we can do is we can even limit the concurrent jobs. So as of now, this desktop processing power can do maximum of 6 processing power, things in parallel. So this is how we can see, check it out. We can even limit it, and then we can even share the data factory processing power with other data factories as well, and so on. So these are multiple features which you can see right in your self-hosted integration runtime. I hope you found this video useful. Do like the video if you loved it. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment sections. Thank you.